So here we have this OLIXIS computer desk. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. There's the tabletop, a few pieces for the frame, a bag, some hardware screws, and anyway, it looks like this is going to be a super simple build, so let's see how fast I can get it done. First, we're going to take these two side legs and attach them together with this horizontal support. Same thing with the horizontal support in the back. They take two screws on each end, one from the inside and one from the outside. And the one that gets put in the back has a couple extra holes that we're going to screw this diagonal bracing into. Now we can attach this headset hook with one screw on this side and then the storage basket with two screws on the other side. And there's two holes on either side, so you can switch these around if you like. And now we can set on the top and screw it in from the underside. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. Definitely one of the easier desk builds. Took 12 minutes and I'm pretty happy with this table. The top looks really nice in this rustic brown color, and it's made of a particle board covered in laminate, and it measures about 5/8 of an inch. And I really like these metal sides. Each one came welded together as a single piece. They're made of a powder coated steel, and they're quite a bit thicker than most of the desks I've built. This one also uses diagonal cross braces, and that makes it super rigid. This doesn't wobble at all. It also has a headphone hook on this side and one of these board and fabric baskets on this side. It doesn't have any leveling feet though, only these plastic pads, and that's a bit unfortunate. But other than that, it's a pretty nice desk, super sturdy, and looks great.